Hi, welcome to our channel Knowledgepedia. 7th standard science first chapter. Now I am continuing. Okay, ma. Now let's 3 completed. Now I am teaching you. Let's do 4. In the table 2, I am going to explain you. In this what ma? Testing the food items for the carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and fats. Understand children, carbohydrate, proteins and fats only. They are not testing the vitamins and minerals. But you can do it ma. Okay children. In this lesson, before what I am explaining you, how to test for the carbohydrates and proteins and fats. Now we are going to testing the food items. In carbohydrate, how much will be there and everything. Okay, we have to find out. Now see here. First food item is rice. Do you know children? Rice containing, so many members are thinking about rice containing only the starch, nothing not there. But you have to understand that, rice are brown rice. I will tell you the importance of brown rice also here. See, rice containing 63.3% starch, but at the brown rice containing less the starch, not 63%. Okay, somewhat less. Now protein, see 4 grams will containing proteins in the normal rice. Brown rice 5 grams will be present. Fats almost not there at all in the normal rice. But in the brown rice 1 gram will be there. How much kilocalories it will be? 68 kilocalories. Okay, next one is see potato. Children, whatever the vegetables we are eating, those are with skin only we should eat. That are very important for the minerals and the nutrients, minerals and the proteins. What the proteins, not vitamins and minerals, will be present in the skin. And what are the fibers are so much fibers are present in the skin. Okay, that is important for the digestion process. Now see here potato, how much starch will be present? 20%. Understand? Now protein, how much will be present? Moderate means what? Like 1.9 grams, very little bit. Okay, now fats, comes to the fats, almost not present. If it is there, just 0.1%. okay, in the potato. How many kilocalories? 87 kilocalories. Now go for the milk. Children, milk is very important. Generally you can say that protein will be present, fats will be present, starch will be present, but what you call in the milk, some carbohydrate is there. What is the name of the carbohydrate present in the milk? Yes, lactose. Very good. It is also a one type of carbohydrate. Understand? Carbohydrate nothing but starch. Starch also comes under carbohydrate only children. Okay, starch is a complex carbohydrate. Okay, now see. Milk containing 4.9% lactose, that is nothing but a carbohydrate. Somebody are thinking that milk containing carbohydrate. No, milk not containing carbohydrate. Yeah, not like that. Milk containing carbohydrate, that is in the name of lactose. One type of the name. Okay, name they are given. Do you know, if you don't know about the carbohydrates, one total in the biochemistry topic, carbohydrates are explained like anything, saturated, unsaturated, so much there ma. In that you have to understand polysaccharides, monosaccharides. I am a biochemistry student. Okay, now see, milk containing lactose 4.9% and proteins how much? 3.4% in milk. How much fats? 3.3%. If it is P means what ma? Present. A means absent. Now see curd. Curd, very few amount of the starch will be present, and protein is, you can observe here ma, I am not showing here, you are seeing, I am thinking. Okay, see here, few only the starch. Okay, now see in the protein 3.4 grams for the protein. Now see 3.3 grams for the fats present. Now see egg. Now you have to find out how much kilocalories, energy, these all. Okay, now go for the curd. Curd completed. Now go for the egg. Egg, generally egg containing more protein. See here, 7 grams of protein. Fats also will be present, 5 grams of fats. Egg less than 1% the carbohydrate will be present. Understand, children? Okay. You have to find out what I'm asking questions here. You have to find out 1 glass of milk how many kilocalories energy will give. Curd how many kilocalories. 1 cup of curd. Egg, 1 egg how much kilocalories. You have to find out and keep in the comment section. Okay, children? You have to do it, then only I will get more interest. Now before going for the asking questions here, I want to tell you, I want to ask you, you know which is a complete food? Complete food. Which food item is a complete food? Yeah, very good. Milk. You know, milk is the complete food. Why? Because milk containing everything. Not only starch, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, everything. But one vitamin only less not there in the milk. What is the vitamin? You have to think. I will tell you in the last class, end of the class. Okay, children? Now go for the question and answers. Which food presence of starch? In which food item have the starch? Now tell me. Yeah, almost all. Rice, potato, milk, yeah, egg, less curd and egg have some little bit. Okay. Now milk, what nutrients containing, which nutrients are have in the milk? Yeah, starch will be there, protein will be there, fats will be there. Now see, potatoes, which components of the food? Potatoes containing which component of food? Yes, which components? Yeah, starch, moderate protein, fats also almost no. Only potato containing more amount of starch. Which component will be present more? Potatoes, starch. More fats. Which containing more fat? Yeah, you can observe here. What is the number is high? Yes, 5 grams. What is that? Egg. Understand? Now go for the more protein. Which food item containing more protein? Almost milk, curd. Having the milk, curd, that I am seeing the fats, not protein. You have to see the column of the protein, ma. Okay, here you can understand protein column. You have to see 4 grams or 5 grams. Yes, 3 or 4 grams or 7 grams. Which is a big number? Yeah, 7 grams. Now see egg. Which food item more? Egg only. Yes, containing more grams of protein will be more. Egg. Now see, you know, children, growing children and adolescents have to eat milk, meat, pulses and vitamins and minerals also, because they are growing children need more proteins. Understand, children? Milk, meat, pulses have to eat for improving their protein levels and vitamins and minerals. Now please like, share and subscribe my channel. Support me, ma. Thank you for supporting you. Yes, what the question? Very good. Somebody are thinking about the question what I am asking. Yes? Yeah. What milk containing all type of nutrients, but one vitamin not there. What is that? Very good. Are you trying? Yeah, C vitamin not present in the milk. Everything will be present. Okay. That's why we have to call as the milk complete diet, complete food. Okay, children? Okay, ma. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you, Nana. Thank you. I'll continue the next topic in the next session. Thank you.